Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a sign or hanging sign with these two plaques that I got from the Dollar Tree. So let's jump right into the video because I'm very excited. And yeah, let me show you what we have. This is new at the Dollar Tree. These letters here, they're coming in white and the font is different from the black font. So I just want to show you that. Got this at the Dollar Tree. I'm loving the white color. And then these two round plaques, got them from the Crafter Square. So all I did was take them outside, spray painted them in black. So on both sides. Then when the Dollar Tree was carrying the buffalo check ribbon, got one roll of that. We're going to be using that. Also the jute twine, you can get that at the Dollar Tree. And everything else that I'm using to create this craft, guys, is down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys are new, please don't hesitate to subscribe if you like the video, and make sure and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, I love my subscribers and I welcome new ones. So, all right. So what I decided to do with these plaques is spell beautiful. Okay, and what's neat about this sign is that you can pretty much hang it and leave it hanging all year. So, and since I love buffalo check, my intention is just to do just that. Okay, so we just want to, it's not a heavy plaque, so you don't have to go crazy with the glue. Okay, so want to place. I thought it would be nice to hang this. You can hang it anywhere. Okay, so we want to spell out beautiful. So we're gonna need a B. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these over. We should be okay to turn these over. And I did want to hang them one a little bit higher than the other. That's why I don't want to glue the top yet until after we get the wording down. Now you guys could measure. I'm not measuring, so if you guys feel better measuring, please do that. Yes. Okay, so now we did have to overlap. I just want to show you. This side says view. And this one, the letters did kind of overlap that bottom part there. T full. Okay, and I think that came out, it didn't come out bad. I kind of like the way that came out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and Mod Podge that, those letters so that they don't lift. Okay, while that's drying, we can go ahead and start on the bow. I'm going to place these aside so we can let these dry, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a bow, a buffalo check bow. And you know what I'm going to do, since I see the polka dot, because all of these colors is just really just black and white, we're going to do a buffalo check, and then we're also going to incorporate this white polka dot one. I think the contrast will look nice. Okay, and we're also going to add some jute twine to that. So when we're pulling these out, we have two bows that we need to fluff out. So this is what that looks like. I hope you guys can see that. So you have the buffalo check and then you have the polka dot one. Okay. Then we're going to move this aside. Okay, we're going to place that right here. We're going to move it aside and work with the jute. Okay, now with the jute, we're also going to make a shoe bow. And one side is longer than the other, but I am going to go ahead and put a little tiny gem on that one too. Since we put a gem on the other one, why not? I'm just not sure where I'm going to place that yet. We'll place that right there. This incorporates that rustic glam, the rustic with the glam, with the little bling. Loving that, just loving that. So this is what it looks like dried. I did go ahead and split the ribbon. Okay, isn't that beautiful? So the Mod Podge seals in the paint, but also seals the letter to the plaque. Okay, so let's go back over here. And what we're gonna do is, I decided to go ahead and instead of offset, I decided to place the plaques together. And it's spelled beautiful. So what I'm going to do is we are going to turn this around. Again, you can use a ruler, you could measure. I'm just gonna eyeball it. And then I'm gonna use a popsicle stick just to make sure that those stay together. So this is what it looks like. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. All right, so I went ahead and I split that ribbon on the top, because since I decided to go this route with it, we're gonna go ahead and tie a knot where it's gonna hang. Okay, just a regular knot, and we're going to leave whatever's hanging, we're just going to cut it at an angle. Okay. Okay, so once we do that, yeah, okay. So here we are. We tied a knot right here. So now right there in the center of that knot, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm trying to decide, should I use the jute twine bow or should I use this bow? I think I'm gonna use that bow to place in the center of that knot. Okay, so this would be our hanger here. Just gonna fold that over so that it can dry while we place the other bow. And I thought it would be nice to place that second bow right here in the center between beautiful. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and do that? There we go. Guys, let me show you the end result here. I don't want to take that bow apart there, but let me show you the end result. Okay, so now we have a little beautiful sign that we can keep up all year long unless we change our color decor. Okay, and this is what that looks like. Beautiful. I'm loving it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe. I hope you are blessed. And I will see you in the next video.